Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at how to fix the unsupported pack cache issue with Apex Legends. Follow the instructions step by step and try not to skip anything. The first and easiest solution is to simply delete the game cache folder. To do this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, find the local disk C, find the users folder, find your name. If you don't know your name, you can look at your username. In Windows, go there, find the saved games folder, locate the respawn folder, double click on it. From here, open the Apex folder, right click on the assets folder, and select delete. After deleting the assets folder, launch the game and check if the problem has solved. If the problem has not solved, let's move on to the second solution. So go back to the same file path to respawn. Click on the respawn folder and hit delete. After that, close everything. For Steam users, you can open Steam, right click on the game, select properties, select installed files and verify integrity of game files. For EA users, open the EA app, select the three-dot icon next to the game, and select the repair button.